all right, so there's something else. I really don't worry about it for the most part, depending on where you're posting it at. But you see that you're going to encounter this as well. The misspellings, that's supposed to say battery. Let's say butt freeze. This is supposed to say antifreeze, and it says antifreeze. You can take this into Canva and try to recreate or you can recreate the lettering, cover this up, or you can just ignore it. People know, and it says ice battery. It's no big deal to me because they're gonna look at the overall image for the most part, and it's still gonna be intriguing. I feel like this is, I guess it could go both ways, but as far as card tips, it ain't gonna really chase them away. If anything, they'll be interested. Like, what else is gonna happen? What else is going on behind this post? They talking about some ice battery and anti-freeze with 1E. So you can edit the image and fix that. Now here's the thing: if you just say ask for an image, ChatGPT is going to give you usually a square image, and words are usually spelt better, usually more accurate in the square image. But all you have to do is ask it for a landscape image to get you a landscape image, and all you got to do is ask it for a vertical image or portrait image to get one that's as opposed to square. But like I said, it's more likely you're going to see those misspellings when you get outside of the square images. And you can just use it like that, or you can edit it. Now, subscribe and like the YouTube channel. Come on over to From Passion to Profits if you want to be around a group of other entrepreneurs who are building their business, building and growing their business.